Hello and welcome to our channel, where we discuss all things skincare. In this video, we'll be sharing tips and tricks for dry skin and some DIY remedies that you can try at home. Dry skin can be a hassle to deal with, but with the right skincare routine, you can keep it moisturized and healthy. Before we dive into skincare for dry skin, let's discuss what it is. Dry skin occurs when the skin's natural oils are depleted, leaving it rough, flaky, and itchy. This can be caused by many factors, including genetics, weather changes, and certain medications. Fortunately, there are steps you can take to alleviate dry skin and maintain healthy, moisturized skin. The first step in treating dry skin is to switch to a gentle cleanser that won't strip your skin of its natural oils. Look for a cleanser that is free of harsh chemicals and fragrances that can further dry out your skin. After cleansing, it's important to apply a moisturizer. Look for a thick, creamy moisturizer that will penetrate your skin and lock in moisture. Ingredients like hyaluronic acid and glycerin are great for hydrating dry skin. If you have extremely dry skin, you may want to consider using a facial oil. Facial oils are a great way to provide your skin with the extra hydration it needs. Look for oils that contain natural ingredients like jojoba oil or rosehip oil. Another important step in skincare for dry skin is to exfoliate regularly. Exfoliating removes dead skin cells and allows your moisturizer to penetrate deeper into your skin. However, be careful not to over-exfoliate, as this can further dry out your skin. Now let's talk about some DIY remedies for dry skin that you can try at home. These remedies are easy to make and use natural ingredients that are gentle on your skin. Honey and avocado mask. Avocado is packed with healthy fats that can moisturize your skin, while honey has antibacterial properties that can help prevent breakouts. Mash half an avocado and mix it with a tablespoon of honey. Apply the mixture to your face and leave it on for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Oatmeal bath. Oatmeal is great for soothing dry, itchy skin. Simply add a cup of oatmeal to a warm bath and soak for 15 to 20 minutes. The oatmeal will moisturize your skin and provide relief from any itching or irritation. Coconut oil and sugar scrub. Coconut oil is a natural moisturizer that can penetrate your skin, while sugar acts as a gentle exfoliant. Mix equal parts coconut oil and sugar and apply it to your skin in a circular motion. Rinse off with warm water and pat dry. Dry skin can be a nuisance, but with the right skincare routine and DIY remedies, you can keep it moisturized and healthy. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.